Hey guys, what's going on? We're back with another video, playing Roblox, and I'm playing with Bishop today, so, I don't really know what we're playing, but, we're playing it, so, Bishop said it would be really fun, but, I don't know.
A glitch is for me.
I don't know, guys, I don't know.
You're not in, but you're going to be.
What do you even do?
I don't know, it's messed up. Okay.
I don't even know what he's doing.
I don't even know what you're saying.
Okay, guys, so, also, leave comments down in the description below on what you want us to play next. And I can mostly only play Roblox, but I can play some other games. So, just leave some ideas below for what you want me to play next time I record a video. And, yeah, so, it's telling me to download and install Roblox, really? I already have this downloaded and installed. You're bad. You are bad. Okay, guys, 1 second. Apparently, I have to restart it.
Jump over this on my Xbox. Why doesn't this work?
Guys, apparently we have to wait a second for this to load. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll go.
Dude, we need to play a different game. This is too laggy. I can't even see my body.
Maybe when I join it'll work. I got this. I got this. Here, I'm gonna join in and I'm gonna kill you, okay? It's gonna work.
You think you're gonna kill me? I'm the Tomahawk Bastard.
The Tomahawk Bastard? Is that what you just said? That you just said Tomahawk Bastard.
Wow.
Oh no!
Swearing in a video. That's supposed to be meant for kids.
Not bastard. Well, how is bastard a swear?
Because. I don't know, but it is a bad word.
Crap. What do you do? Do you go to shop and do you get stuff? Oh, jeez.
No.
I'm gonna get some knives.
You don't have enough.
It won't.
You only have $6.
So I need $25 for a knife.
I'm about to kill ya.
Okay, bros, I need $25 for a knife.
You already have a knife.
Boom. Yeah, but for a new knife. I'm gonna get a new knife, bro. Oh no!
I killed ya.
No, the other guy killed me. See?
Now I finally
that guy
get the color in my skin.
Killed me. Yeah, I don't see my body. I'm gonna zoom in all the way.
I can see your body.
Shit. Why can't I jump up on this? Oh no! You just hit me. Wait, how do you get your knife out so you can hit people with it?
1. And then you just hold to does whatever.
Oh, yes!
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, yes, I can see! Oh, jeez, I died. Yeah, see, I'm not good at this because I've never played this before. And I don't even know what we're really supposed to be doing, but okay.
My darn screen.
No! I died. Guys, I died.
I haven't died yet.
Hey.
Why is this so glitchy? It says I hit someone.
I got this.
Somebody just killed the gang. Irma Gersh. Some guy.
Bro, look, it's my knife in a fence. Oh, shoot.
You have unlimited knives.
Oh, him. I got money. I'm going to the shop and buying a knife. Sabros.
I already have enough for a knife.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get the next knife, which is Cyber. Bro, look at my knife. Look at my new knife. Look. You ready? Look at it. It's lit. It's lit. I'm about to be the best knife thrower that there
Wait, what? You're on Cyber? Or Circuit?
Circuit.
Same. I bought Cyber.
Bro, I found out how to easily make money. I'm a boss.
I know. That's how you use money.
Now zoom out, click on shop. Same, I'm on Cyber. Well, you started off with a lot more money than me.
Because I played this before.
Okay, let me get $25. Hey, boys. Oh, wait, Bloody is
He's
50.
killing all of us. I just MLG sliced him. Look at that. Huh. Anybody coming in?
Okay. I got the Bloody.
Got the Bloody.
I'm about to get some candy, bro. Bro, I'm gonna get some candy. It's $100, but I'm gonna get it.
Ugh.
Don't worry, I just killed the guy who killed you.
Yep, thanks for avenging me.
I'm a boss, bro. I'm a boss. Wait, why am I not? Oh, there we go. I'm swinging my knife. Swing, 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 swing my knife. Swing, swing,
Dude, I'm
swing,
just
swing,
gonna go ahead and
swing
buy
my
a bunch
knife.
of stuff. I got
Oh, God.
now. Overseer sword.
Oh!
Look at the sword
I
I got.
know where with the
Look at the
RKO.
sword I got. Look at the sword I got.
Wait, you got a sword? How do you get that? Oh, because you had thousands of dollars, right? Forgot about that. You
The
started.
magma sword.
I forgot that you started off with thousands of dollars when you came
Look
into
at that.
this
The
game.
death horse sword.
Bro, I'm about to wreck this kid around the corner.
Oh, virtual. I want virtual.
Oh,
you
crap,
can get,
he got me.
Dude.
What?
Look.
Okay, guys, how much is the... Ooh, the Overseer's 100.
Dude, you can get, like, a bunch of things. Like, Storm of Knives, you can get, like...
Oh, yeah, you have enough
double
to get
knife.
all those because you have a
No,
ton
I
of
don't.
money, don't you? You had a ton of money.
I'm gonna get Storm of Knives when I have enough. Oh.
Hey?
Hey.
No!
No!
Back off.
Back up. Back up.
Back off, kid.
You back
off.
Rainbow.
I'm gonna stab you.
Rainbow.
Back off. Ow. That guy is good.
Oh, the guy with the arrow?
No, that
Somebody
guy
just
with
killed-
like the multiple firing swords and that big sword.
Yeah, that guy.
Yeah. Oh shoot, he's behind you. He just killed me. He's behind you.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah.
The Storm of Knives. Oh, I gotta run. Oh, I'm on.
Yeah,
the
I
run.
know. He has the storm. Oh, Jesus.
He's right there.
Don't worry, I got this.
Yo. I killed him. I killed him.
Nice.
You got the candy cane?
Yeah.
Pass the candy cane.
No, I have the Overseer, actually.
Then why do you have candy cane?
What do you mean I have candy cane?
You have candy cane.
No, I don't.
You have candy.
See?
You've had candy cane. I'm killing the target. I killed the target, man. I'm just gonna start gaining money, and then when I get the chance, I'm gonna throw a knife at somebody.
Crap. I'm bad at this game.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, Jesus. Help.
Oh! How did you notice me?
Oh! I was so close to killing that guy once and for all. Oh, yes. I'm gonna try and kill this guy. Coming around the corner with knife armed.
I was so close to hitting you, Dan.
Hey, why are you throwing knives at me?
I ain't throwing knives at you.
Yeah, 'cause every time I hear a knife go off and, yeah, from your screen, a knife goes right over my head. Did I kill you? No. What bit is that?
The rainbow knife.
Yeah, 'cause you had tons of money and you already played this game, so you have all of the things unlocked, right?
No, I don't.
You have a ton of them, though. Okay, guys, how much is the next? 125 for the Magna. I'm just gonna do this, guys. See how fast it'll let us click. Oh, only that fast? Really?
No. Like, why can't we click faster? Click faster.
I'm just gonna tap it like this, 'cause you can't even go this fast.
What the heck? They won't let me go anywhere. You little!
I have enough for the Magna Sword.
You do? I'm past that Magna Sword.
Yeah, I know, you're on to this because you played this game before.
No, I'm on the Rainbow Sword.
That's what I just said.
The Rainbow Knife. I'm gonna see what the swords are like.
I need 150.
Killed him.
Just running through town, slicing and dicing. You know, the cash.
The casual. Oh my gosh. Nerp. Mr. Potter. MLG snipe now. Bam!
Oh, I almost got him. I need 150 for the next one. Which I almost have. Crap! I got hit by that guy's knife storm.
I killed him! I killed him!
Nice, I have a horse sword.
Horse.
I gotta get 200
The
now.
horse sword.
I get 200 to get the golden. Oh my god! Look at it!
I know. It's like some big thing.
It's a demon.
Demon. Demon horse. Demon horse. Demon horse! Just snipes everyone. Like, it's not a problem.
The Mysterious 21's pretty good. But that guy with them...
I want the storm of knives so bad.
yeah, I know. That guy was crazy.
Oh, those knives. He is the guy with the knives. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go into the
Oh, shoot. I just got killed. Bishop, I'm gonna have to end my video soon. Yeah, yours already at...
yeah, because too much.
yeah, 15 minutes. Okay, guys. Well, that'll be all for this video of playing this game. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.